Good morning, everyone. It's Kimberly, and Jeremy's right around the corner over there with Galands Across the Lands. Thanks for tuning in. We are at the shuttle, and we just bought our America the Beautiful pass. So we're getting ready to go into Bryce Canyon, and it is a chilly willy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's crazy. It's August, what are we, 18th, I think it is, Friday, and yeah, there's a storm about ready to roll in. So we've already been through a few storms, and there's a lot on the way coming for the weekend. So we're not quite sure what we're going to be doing. Could be a big adventure for sure, but yeah, pretty cool. So here's Jeremy. We're getting ready to get on the shuttle. So we'll see you soon. Bryce Canyon Visitor Center. We just stopped in and bought our, what is it called? The stamp book. We'll start collecting stamps for the national parks, because that's what our plan is. Sometime in the future, we're going to go to all the national parks. And so I got my stamp book. I'll take a picture of that later, but boy, it's really crowded in here. So we're going to head on outside and see what we can see. Probably take the next shuttle to the next viewpoint. Ah, yay. So awesome. Yeah.
Heading into Bryce Canyon.
Yeah, we haven't even got into the Bryce Canyon part yet. So
We're at the visitor center, so we're
super duper excited. Yeah. All right, our first stop. We've arrived. Bryce Point. Elevation is 8,300. Let's see that sign. Oh my gosh.
That's what we come to see, baby.
Look. Wow. 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 We're going to walk down that trail right there.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. That's incredible. Dangerous cliffs. Watch your children. Stay in the car during the lightning storms, which it looks like it's about to do that. Lightning.
You can hike up that way too.
I know.
We'll hike down to that spot right there. Huh?
Yeah, I'm going that way. I'm filming right now, so let's go down and see. Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Well, this is beautiful. Bryce Canyon, Hoodoo Land.
I think I'll walk down here on this side.
That's what we come to see. Look at that.
Yeah, this is so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Whoa. There's some video there.
I know. I'm gonna try to get you guys up there higher. Wow.
No way. It's just, yeah, it's just you.
Okay.
So amazing.
So go up there.
Yeah, where the people are over there.
Alright.
See, there's another.
Hmm.
We are at Inspiration Point. We've been watching this for years on TV. And now we're finally here. Look at all the hoodoos. Who do you do, you know?
This is amazing. Absolutely stunning. Yeah.
Geological formations have been here for hundreds and hundreds of years. It's just
We're-
incredible.
We're on the way walking up to Inspiration Point. Absolutely beautiful.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Just a big hole in the ground, huh?
That's what Ruby said, huh?
Yeah. That's incredible.
Oh, I see the trail at the bottom.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out a trail pretty quick here. Maybe a short hike. We'll see. Okay, so wow, we're at Inspiration Point. This is amazing, and there's no railing, and I just like lost my breath. It's terrifying. Yeah, it's beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I'm a fencing rails kind of girl. That other one was most terrifying. I turned around and there was like just a straight cliff. So now we're in the area for the little kitties like me who need the fence and the railing. It's amazing.
I'll carry myself.
Wow.
This elevation. It's so windy.
It is windy. Yes, it is. Wow. Look at the people down there. Holy
yeah.
cow.
That's a steep trail from there to there.
Let's see if we can zoom in. There's little bugs down there. I don't know if you can see them. Those are big people. There's more of Inspiration Point. Wow, we could just stay here all day. This is our first stop from the shuttle. Can you even believe this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Trying to go slow so you guys don't get dizzy. I'm learning this camera, the DJI. So far it's been pretty good. Okay, so I lied on the last video. Now we're at Inspiration Point. The other one you can hike all the way across the rim to this side, but we just got off the shuttle. And so, by the way, if you when you buy the park pass, You can ride the shuttle for free, and they stop 8 different points all around the rim.
You did. Didn't you do a lot of them?
Yeah. So we're just hopping on and off the shuttle. It comes around every 15 minutes. And we still haven't braved a hike yet, so we might be doing that. But we're entering a new section here. Super excited. Let's see what this one looks like. Ooh. There's Inspiration Point up there.
Now to the left, if you look to these 5 gray HOODOOs, these are 5 cowboys taking a shower, and you can see their butt cheeks at the very bottom. Best scene in a winter's morning.
Do you want to walk up there?
Oh, it's pretty steep, baby.
I know. Pretty steep. Let's walk on down here.
That's what it's there for. For people to use it.
Not a real lizard. I'll give you a hint. It's made out of that gray.
Yeah. It'd probably be a little like we get a lot of snow here. So.
Right in the middle of the lizard is.
One of the buses. I hope it's in one of the buses.
Great, we left our backpack somewhere. Okay, so we had a real interesting thing just happen. We left the backpack on the shuttle. And so it's a different driver every time they come around every 15 minutes. So I hauled butt back to the shuttle station back here. And it just so happens that the 2 shuttle drivers are married, and the one we just got off of is the one we left the backpack on. And so this one coming around was his wife, and he had just reported it. So our backpack with our snacks is going to be waiting for us, and our water. Guess we're not going to go on a hike. It's going to be waiting for us at the shuttle station where you buy the tickets down yonder. So we're going to finish the loops here as long as we can. And then, yay, I had to rest easy knowing the backpack was safe. So, anyway, and Jeremy's right next to the edge, so yay, this is terrifying.
6 feet from the edge.
He said he's 6 feet from the edge, but
Yeah, give away. Just trying to
let
see
me
the
zoom
inspiration
in.
point where we was at.
Okay, so now we're at Inspiration Point. The point we were at before the last video was Bryce Point, so this is really amazing. And there's Jeremy. Yay. So we're going to walk up here yonder a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. I couldn't enjoy the rest of the day until I knew where the backpack was. Not that we have like really significant things in there. I mean, we had the cameras and the cell phones and the wallets and the keys to the RV all on us. But yeah, food and water, that was in the backpack. A couple other things, but oh my goodness, look at me now, I'm on the edge. Oh, what? Wow. Oh my gosh. That's as close as I'm going, guys. Wow. See, the edge is right there. Did you hear Jeremy? He's like, get away from that edge. Oh my gosh. Totally making fun of me. Yikes. All right.
It's got to be the same canyon, only we're at a different angle.
Yeah, it's the same canyon.
It's the same-
Yeah,
Oh yeah, there's the city.
we were over there. Yep.
So we're over there somewhere. Seems like we could be able to see it.
Yeah, there's down there, way down there. There's a hiking trail, and you can see little ants, little
Yeah, but I
people.
wonder if that's the same trail.
We're at Sunset Point now. Just got off another shuttle. This is our third stop, I think it is. And we're on the Navajo Loop. Gonna hike up here and check this out. That's back at the bathrooms. This one has bathrooms. The other one didn't. Actually has flush toilets and a refillable water station. If we had our water bottles, we'd be probably doing that. That's funny. Look at these trees. Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
Only from you walking? Goes Sugar going for a walk. Navajo Loop. So incredible. These hoodoos that we keep showing you guys is different angles of the Bryce amphitheater. It's really cool. Each spot we go to is just a different view. So there's lots of different views out here. It's really cool. Pretty awesome.
Sorry, I keep saying wow so much. Down there, let's see if we can zoom in. See the people walking those trails. Almost. Yeah. There's a zigzag trail down there. Yeah, we're not going. This is close enough. There's people way across the rim, but my camera doesn't zoom. Like right there. There's people right there. That's funny. Awesome. It goes way back in that.
Ben je blij dat je het gelopen hebt? Ben jij blij dat je het gelopen hebt, Nick? Ja, hè? Ja, komt ie.